So in this video, I will show you step by step how to add glowing effects around body in Capcut. So now import your video. So after you import your video, let's say I want to add glowing effects around this person body. So all I have to do, I'll just go ahead now and select the video. After you select the video like this, so now go ahead and click on this remove BG. So remove background. After you remove the background like this, so now click on this stroke. So after you check on the stroke, so here as you can see now there is different stroke option. So now I'll go ahead now and select the first one. So if you select the first one, scroll down. So as you can see now, here is the first one. But if you want to add your own custom, so just select the second one, solid stroke. After you select the solid stroke, then scroll to down and change the color. If you want, you can change the color. So let's say I want to add like red, and then scroll to down and change the size. So here you can change the size like this, and then scroll to down, you can just change the opacity like this. So if you change the opacity, as you can see now, now you get some like glowing effect for your video, as you can see now on Capcut. So you can add the glow to your picture or a video entirely. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.